Hi, today we'll do another unboxing. That's from Brad again, but I plan to test some other greenhouse. But for now, that's gonna be Brad. It was a group order, so I really recommend you guys, when you live in the same city, try to group. That's always better. You can have a discount, you can have free plans, and literally you share the shipping. So even if you have only two friends that could join you when you do an order, that's always a good thing to do. Okay, so what do we have? We have quite a lot. So a friend already packed that for me, so that's why we have the IKEA Ziploc bag. But so we will start, why not, by the big one, right? What do we have? We have two big, actually. Okay. Oh, and one of the big is the free plant. Interesting. Okay, so first this one. You know me, I plan to do some seeds soon, and this is a pure spectabilis. So you can tell here, look at that. Look at the stripe, the color of the body. Nice, right? And I mean, decent size compared to my hand. That's great. You see there is plenty of leaves. They are looking really great. We have a picture here, but I'm not sure it will really do something because of the shipping. But this is supposed to be a giant form. So with that, I could easily cross that later, depending if it's a male or a female, I mean. But I could cross that with almost anything, and I would have a nice body color and nice stripes. Even with veitchif, that would be interesting. So we'll see. So the free plants, again, because we did a group order and we reached $1,000, I believe, more, I mean. So we got a few plants, free plants, not the fancy expensive one, but still, that's always interesting. This one will be ampullaria by fusca. I don't know exactly what it will look like. I mean, tiny, but I don't know. We'll see if this one, how it grows. So as this one won't grow on my windowsill because it's too cold, and ampullaria by fusca would be needing, I mean, some decent temperature at night. So for summertime, the leaves look thick enough, so that would be good. For winter time, it won't grow, it won't picture. So my guess is I will grow it until I will just do an auction, and it will help, the money, I mean, will help to support the Facebook group that we have for Manitoba, and that's gonna be it. But it's still a cute species that we'll see how it grows. Okay, what else? Okay, I will just not take any chance to damage the plant. This one, that's truncata Pasian. I was looking for this one for a long time. That's supposed to be a highland one, beautiful plant for sure. Again, this, if I'm able to have like a male or a female of that and do some seeds out of it, that's gonna be fantastic. So again, the spectabilis by truncata, I never saw one, but I'm sure that's great. we'll see. This one, Sibulensis by Remy. So this one is supposed to be really easy to grow. I'll see. It's a decent size, healthy. Strangely enough, we have two pictures here. So I don't know if they will make it, but this one should make it. This one is still not properly formed, so it may stop, but once the pitcher already reached that stage, usually it continues. So we'll see. But that's supposed to be a really easy growing plant. Exactly what I like on the windowsill. Okay, last bag. Oh, Maxima by lowii by macrophylla. This one is really tiny, for sure, but the macrophylla one plus the maxima could really be interesting. We'll see how it grows, but even the leaves, they are thick. You can tell there is some highland in this mix. And this one, that's a pure maxima. That's again for making hybrids. That's one of the, I don't know, common hybrid maker that we can have. Maxima by anything here would be great for windowsill. So just like truncata, I mean. So that's interesting. So that's supposed to be the best BE maxima that they have. So we'll see. Some nice color on the leaf. So we'll see if it's grow. Oh, I have also another one. I will just show you the pot. It was, I ordered it small, but a friend of mine decided to be fantastically nice and switch the same species with me. So I got the older version of the one I ordered, and this friend, she decided to keep the new ones. So because of that, the plant is already established. Even if it was inside a tank, so the humidity was probably very high and it's not very high up there, but it will move the growth fast forward. So that's gonna be really helpful. I will show you that. So the last one is veitchif by lowii by platychila. But look at that. Fantastic picture. The body is, the color of the body is great. The shape, the stripes, everything is there. So I can't wait to really see it growing. It's supposed to have fantastic stripes. That's supposed to be very, very interesting. I like the fact that there is lowii in it. It will open the mouth of the pitcher. I mean, the opening would be great. It will handle the cold nights. So that's definitely a keeper. But the two one I'm the more excited right now would be the spectabilis and the truncata. So these two will be the one I really hope they will enjoy the windowsill and just grow properly. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to shoot in a comment, and until next time, happy growing!